The Ap Lei Chau to Ap Lei Hike is a great little coastal trail that takes you out to Mount Johnston Lighthouse via a small sandbar. It's an out and back hike that is just under 5 km, but it will still serve up some solid incline with over 500 meters of ascent up and over the hills each way. How to get to the Ap Lei Chau to Ap Lei Hike? Getting to the trailhead for the hike is quite easy as there is an MTR station right nearby. Catch the train to Lei Tung MTR station and then walk out to Lei Tung Estate Road. There you will find two small bright yellow office buildings. You literally need to walk straight through the middle of them. Hop up on the ledge and then walk through the gap to the trail. Choose the stairs on the far left and then off you set following the ribbons up the hill. I'll add pictures below in the hike description to give you a visual for those direct up. This is a beautiful hike on a sunny day, so make sure you don't forget to look out for the secret hike pole. Ap Lei Chau to Ap Lei hike details. Hike distance. The total distance of the hike for me was 4.85 kilometers for the out and back hike. It could be a little less if you don't wander off the trail. Hike duration. The total duration for the hike was 1 hour and 40 minutes of walking time. The hike is not a difficult one, but can be quite steep in some parts. There is a rope in the steep parts, but we didn't need it too much. The incline will have many people gasping, but it is not really too dangerous if you take it slow on the way down. This hike fascinates me for one reason, and that is because it feels like an island hopping hike. You go from a large island to a small island, and then you go even smaller island.